There's a secret setting on your Android. Go to settings and scroll all the way to the bottom to about phone. In my case, it says about tablet, but the settings are all the same. I'm just doing it on a tablet. Then go to software information and tap on build number 7 times. And then go back to the main settings panel and scroll a little farther down and you'll see developer options. Now there's a lot you can do inside here. I'm just going to focus on a couple things here. The first thing I like to do when I get a new phone is turn off animations. I'm just going to kind of exaggerate this just to make a point. You see that animation there? How it slows you down like crazy? Now this is at its max, but this is kind of what I'm trying to say. Your animations kind of slow down your experience. So I like to just turn them completely off. The one thing, however, that you need to keep on is animation duration scale. Because right now, if I have it off, if there's any loading screen where you have that loading icon, that icon is actually not going to move because it completely disables all animation. So you want to put this to the minimum so you still have some moving going on. Right over top of that, you'll see force RTL. That's force right to left. If you enable that, it's going to move your whole screen over. Everything that was on the left is now on the right. One more thing I'm going to cover in this video is show surface updates. If you get a hold of your friend's phone and you want to pull a little prank on them, go into this, enable this setting, enable developer options, then go into here and turn this on. Now watch what this does. Every time the screen refreshes or moves, it'll flash. That's going to make the person think their screen is broken and they have to get their screen replaced. And then you can save the day by just grabbing their phone. Maybe you can even hide what you're doing and just say, here, I'll fix that for you, and turn the setting back off, and then they're all good.